Hey there, my name's Sally Spicer. I'm an award-winning journalist, and I've been part of the team behind There's No Place Like Home since the very beginning. For years, we've worked to bring you powerful survivor stories and the latest evidence to paint a clearer picture of what domestic abuse really looks like and what we can do about it.
I could so clearly see that childhood that they were entitled to being taken from them.
There was no hope of us having financial independence for quite a long time to come.
This season, I'm stepping in front of the microphone and the camera too, with audio and video episodes. We're calling this season Paths to Healing.
It raises awareness of what is happening out there, what is okay and what isn't.
I've seen firsthand how difficult it can be to move beyond the crisis.
Letting people know that if any of these things are happening to you, there is that help that's out there.
And rebuild the kind of life you want to live.
I need them to know that they're still valued as a human being.
To move beyond the basics, whether that's housing, money or work, and rebuild a meaningful, fulfilling and joyful life.
Having enough to be able to not just be covering the bills and keeping a roof above our head.
So how do you move beyond survival and thrive? That's the question we're asking in Paths to Healing.
We are a sisterhood of elders, aunties and sisters that are passionate about driving change.
We know that there are programs that can help people heal.
Over 6 episodes, we'll shine a light on the remarkable organisations and people supporting survivors to rebuild their lives on their terms.
On behalf of every single person that you've done that for, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart.